Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a pour today, but before I get to that, a shameless plug. I made some canvas prints of some of my recent work, and I want to offer them to you before I put them on my website. $35, including shipping, for the 8x8s, and $45, including shipping, for the 8x10s. So let me quickly show them to you, give you the names. If you're interested, just contact me at CHRISTINEJ@yahoo.com. This one is called Majestic, Mr. Dapper, Contemplation, Sayonara, and Carefree. And I don't think I gave this one a name, which is called Flamingo. And I can't remember the name of this one. We'll call it Swan. So anyway, they will be going on my website at some point, but if you want to take advantage of this before it gets to that, because on the website the shipping is a little more, feel free to contact me, as I said. Okay. For today's pour, I am using mostly Colourarte products. I've got Water Dragon, this glorious blue, with these wonderful green shimmery undertones. Apple cider, just what it sounds like. Northern Sky. This is very pretty. It's the first time I've used this one. I mixed up some primary elements in tourmaline. Came up with this color. I'll put the recipe down below. Oh, look at that. That is so beautiful. Yes, I'll put exactly what I did down below. And then I mixed some two just matte colors. Acrylic white in Artist Loft, and I did add a bit of Bling It's blue diamond in there, so it has a little shimmer interference blue there. You can see it on the stick, I hope. And then my old standby Creative Inspirations Paynes gray. I just like to have some matte colors in the mix along with all these wonderful shimmery things. So let's get to it. Oops, gotta put my gloves on. And think about what order I want to put these in. Okay. I like to start with a dark often. So Paynes gray. And there we go. Oh, I got some interesting mixture there. I like that green. Okay, well, it's interesting. I like that center section there. All right, let's move it around. I wonder if I should dig out a flow extender. Maybe I will. I don't care for this over here so much, I don't think. So I'll let that go away. Part of it. How did I get the green? Must have been the, ooh, I like that. Now I like that. I didn't care for that white initially, but I like what's left there. The green, let's see. Oh, well, that was the, this one. What is that color? Oh, this was the primary elements in tourmaline. That's right. I'm not going to bother with a flow extender. I have plenty of paint on the surface, and I like what's happening there. A little movement in there, going back and forth a bit. Wow, I'm liking this half better than this half. So what to do about it? I'm going to stretch it out. I'm going to sacrifice some of this. That blob right there can probably go away. I'll scrape up all these delicious drippings and come up with a new color that can be used later on. It's funny, I didn't think I had enough paint after I poured it out, but now I see I had plenty. I think I rather like it. One more little adjustment I want to make. Yeah, I'm going to turn it towards you the way I like it best. I don't know if the whole thing is in the... I don't know if that's all in the frame, so let me just turn it sideways, but I think this is the bottom. It's almost landscapey looking. I like it. Let me bring you in for a closer look. It almost reminds me of a road down here. And then a very strange sky. I like all those wonderful shapes in there. Kind of the pleaty look that you get when you kind of jiggle it out of the cup. Yeah. I like it. I hope you do too. Thanks for watching, my friends. Happy painting.